Guess what? It's Mother's Day here at Sprunky Land. So we're gonna need some mothers in here. Ooh, our mommy and me's got some new faces. And I'm not just talking about the new babies. Uh-oh, it looks like things are about to get spooky. The mommies have been kidnapped. Quick, babies, let's get out of here. Baby Aqua and Baby Creamy always keep cool. Now, where have we seen this straw before? Poor Mama Aqua, she melted! Oh, what a world! Always said she was a tall drink of water. Don't worry, we'll get you a new body. Remember, it's always important to hydrate. That takes care of that. But where's Mama Creamy? Strawberry swirl? Uh-oh! But it's okay. Aqua will show you how to stay cool. Quick, before she's all milkshake! Just breathe and embrace the cool. Here, I think you need this cone more than we do. Who needs a desert when your love keeps you warm? Looks like baby Maruna found a maze. I think this will help her get the point. Hurry, Wyram is right on your tail. We found your mama, but something's off. For starters, this place is a mess. Let's clean things up. Remember, take care of nature and it'll take care of you. Comes in handy when the floor really is lava. Mama Maruna's not feeling so good. Why don't we take a quick peek inside? Uh-oh, another Wyram. Hold on a second. Here's an idea. Let's take a peek inside you. Why don't we give you a happy heart? Aw, now that's a cute little family. Well, we found your mom garden. Too bad she's 6 feet under. Uh-oh, I don't like the look of that flower. Now who says it's plants versus zombies? By the looks of it, they've joined forces. I can't look. Is there a gardener in the house? You know, some weed killer could work wonders. A little pruning won't hurt either. Let's put some antiseptic on those wounds. For our next step, why don't you take a nap? Time for a little brain surgery. What? It's not rocket science. A little cacti will perk things up. Just remove the thorns. Sand to size, or where's a beret? Mary, Mary, how does your garden grow? Open your eyes. Now let's get out of here. Look, 3 babies for the price of 1. There's a red key under cloud number 2. Switch the pipes to bring it to Telly. Next is a blue key. This one goes to Sky. The last one's orange, but it'll need to make a quick stop. See? Good things come to those who wait. Now all the babies have their keys. Quick, let's find what they unlock. Match each key to the same color lock. Now we just need to peel off all of the gray. It's Mama Sky, just a little drowsy. Come on, Oren, it looks like you're next. Well, that put a smile on her face. Last but not least, Telly's got the call. Do you think Mama Telly's underneath? No, it's Pinky! Where can your mom be? Wait, it takes all kinds to make a family. And there's nothing tomato juice can't fix. Besides, think of all you'll save on blush and lipstick. Now we just need to make a few adjustments. She's adopted a whole new look, and that's not all. Baby Aurelia's on an underwater adventure. Well, that was quick. Just kidding. She's found her mama. She's just in need of a little haircut. Don't worry, we've got a spare eye. And we'll get rid of that pesky crab. Anyone else in the mood for a clam bake? Time for a new brain. And a clear mind. Still, nothing wrong with a little color. And more importantly, just look at how squishy it is. What do you think we'll find in here? No, that skeleton's not made of wood. Ooh, buried treasure. Too bad there's no way out. Wait a minute, a third thing. Maybe it can help. A feather? Careful, it makes you sneezy. Is it me, or is this starting to sound familiar? Well, if it worked for Pinocchio, great success! Kiki, Booba, you gotta pick a door. It's doughy. Don't worry, he's still got the other arm. Next up, it's Pianosaurus. Don't worry, this guy just needs a little tuning up. Oh, guess you get to share a mom. I wonder if that makes them siblings. Still, maybe we can pull them apart. Oh, I see. The real mamas were inside. Still, they still look a little mixed up. Or at least a little too over-accessorized. Aw, now talk about a family reunion. Ooh, the boogeyman's got competition. But Semi-Hemi's prepared. She's got a paperclip. We just need to give it a few twists and turns. But it could use something. Grab that cube. Cut it down to size, or shape. A cylinder, that is. Now we can roll on a fresh coat of paint. Let's start with a fresh shade of pink. But Semi-Hemi's a living rainbow. Add some blue. Next up, I'm thinking purple for those pigtails. Just remember, it's what's inside that counts. Here, you're not you when you're hungry. Ah, much better. Now that's what I call a happy ending. Time for fun with our Sprunky friends. Pick your group. Ew. Is it chilly in here, or is it just aqua? Wow, a purple-colored microwave? It's Lily! Okay, let's speed things up. We've got Ratty, Pinky, and Simon. And last but not least, we've got Durple. Heads up! Things are about to get spooky! Ooh, it's raining slime! And there's more where that came from. Blocks? Guess we can always make some new friends. Let's throw in Mr. Sun while we're at it. And look, he even doubles as a Ferris wheel. But we have to find out which piece goes where. Look at the edges to see if they match. Let's see, Pinky and Oren, Maruna and Wyram, Wenda and Sky, Aqua and Simon. Throw in some sugar and we'd have lemonade. Love can be a puzzle, but it's very rewarding. Like these free Sprunky game bags. Mini games? Fun things come in small packages. Oh, poor Wenda. I didn't even know she was sick. But we're still in a puzzling mood. So, why don't we try to put her back together? Uh-oh, looks like Brud kicked the bucket. Literally. But I'm sure we can draw up a solution. Or we could just do this. Next up, it's gardening time. Take out the seed and plant it. Water it, but not too much now. It's garden. Talk about being in bloom. Now let's look at her better half, Sky. It looks like he's sharing a little bit of himself. And I guess Sky's got a heart for math. Need help? Don't worry, he also brought a calculator. Let's try it out. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 5? Ah, that's not right. Well, what else is in here? I'm gonna call these the Powerpuff pens. It's best to use pencils when doing math. Still trusting that calculator, it seems. Aqua, Simon, it's your turn. Ladies first. Feathers? Well, Aqua's got a soft touch. And she's got another Sprunky book for us. Looks like a dress-up game. Pick a Sprunky. Roll the die. Ooh, aqua. Seems fitting. First, choose a nice aqua color. Now we need all the right accessories. Grab the eyes. A nice blue cut. And that groovy straw. Let's show off your new look. You're a born model. But she might get a little lonely by herself. Ooh, Simon? Now that's just cosmic. You know the bill. Pick the color and the features. And speaking of Simon, let's check out his heart. Open him up. Let's see what's inside. You know, something tells me it's something for Aqua's game. Look, he's got outfits for both of them. Let's see what Simon got. Ooh, a suit. After all, a model needs to look dapper. Now let's see what he's got for Aqua. Ooh, a white dress? A veil? Flowers? Let's bring these two closer together. Ah, you may now kiss the Sprunky. Aw, and now they've got a family. Ugh, I think we should change that diaper. Looks like you could use a bottle too. Next up, it's Vineria and Ratty. Let's see what Vineria's got for us first. Oh, looks like Easter eggs. Let's try Derples first. Look, there's slime and tiny Sprunkies inside. We can make Derple and Sky pop-ups. These guys sure have a spring in their step. And they all have a part in our new keyboard. Typing class has never been so fun. I wonder what Ratty's got for us. Red's the color of love after all. Ooh, pick a number. Any number. Your prize? It's a Ratty keychain. And it looks like he's in good company. Ratty and Vineria go together. It's just magnetic. Okay, let's see who else is here. Simon. And he's ready to rock and roll. Let's party. Aqua's got some custom bandages for us. Ooh, it's good to keep these guys on hand. Seriously, and they're great for foreheads too. The two that started it all, Pinky and Oren. Why don't we start with Pinky? The shiny streamers are a nice touch. Ooh, were you expecting us, Pinky? Well, it looks like she's expecting something. Oh, it's a Simon. Hold on, it looks like triplets. Did I say triplets? Make that sextuplets. Ooh, these are a bouncing bunch of babies. But I'm sure we can help them rest up. Hey, what's that? The sands of time? Oh, they grow up so fast, don't they? If only we could keep time in a bottle! But seriously, at this rate, they'll be older than Pinky. Speaking of which, where is she? I mean, she hasn't seen her kids in years. These sextuplets are septuagenarians.